countries.
Oh, well bowled, well bowled. You beauty, Wajid. As you were telling, he's a fine bowler. He castled Khurram Chakwal and it's a big wicket. 63 of 21 balls. We've still match on.
Yeah, the slower delivery nightmare ends for Khurram Chakwal. He struggled on slower deliveries all night. Another leg spinner, this time from Wajid Mehul. It was a proper leg spinner's delivery.
So far. Wow, in the air. This time not a proper connection there. A chance, and Zabibat took it comfortably. Another big wicket for Liari Legends at a very crucial moment, Asif.
Yes, it was a very good catch. Well judged catch in the end, Muzammil. And once again, a twist in the game. Still, they require 14 deliveries, though Taimur Mirza is still there. But even then, this match is getting very, very tense.
Exactly. As the song is going on, real test for them. And so far, so good. Taimur Mirza is passing that test. Oh, he didn't. He just gave away that simple catch on mid-wicket boundary.
Another twist. Another big wicket there. Taimur Mirza departs. More action for DHA Dabangs.
At one stage, it looked like the ball will sail away for a maximum, but it didn't. It went straight to the fielder there. And Taimur Mirza was looking in hot form there. He has to depart now. A good catch. Outside off. There is a chance. The ball is in the air and it's a comfortable take there in the end. So this is what I was talking about. Ahmed Kulfi has been in superb form for Liari Legends.
Well, Danger Man gone now. That was a very good delivery. And yes, I agree with you, Muzammil. That was outside the off stump. A slower bouncer. And he went for a big shot. This time again. And Waqas. Who wants it? Who wants it? It's a catch. Another twist. Drama is going there, dear. Yes, 25 to win now.
You could see the emotions on the face of DHA Dabang supporters. And a big wicket, a crucial one at a very important stage of this game. Waqas had no other option to loft it at long on boundary. But in the end,
It's your hunch.
a maximum. He tried for that. But the ball is in the air for a very long time. And another catch.
Oh, goodness me, another wicket. Ahmed Kulfi bowled a slower one. And Saqib lefty. Yes, they're enjoying Liari. Everyone is there. And good effort. Well done, guys. 88 for 6. 24 now in the last over.
Absolutely wanted to clear that boundary on mid-wicket. But a top edge. Good delivery. And it's the end.
What a victory for Liari Legends. A big game, big night for Liari Legends, Muzammil Sori.
Absolutely, excitement is all over. What a match it was. Celebrations. The family, Zohair Nasir, the chairman of KTPL. What a match it turned out to be. And this was the last delivery. And the song goes on in the ground. Liari.